guys. As everyone knows, Redmi is releasing every day the new models for the Redmi. Then now they released Redmi Note 9 Pro. This is the latest model for the Note 9 Pro. There is one Note 9S and there is one Note 9 Pro, and there is also one Note 9 and Note 9 Lite. There are 4 models. So I'm just about to unbox the brand new Note 9 Pro. This grey color with 6GB RAM and 128GB memory with 4 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for the blur. This is for the main 48 megapixel camera, and this is global variant. I'm about to unbox it just in front of you guys. This is Note 9 Pro. There you go. See, this is the brand new Note 9 Pro, 6GB RAM, 128GB memory. In this, they have 4GB and 64GB, and also 6GB and 128GB. 2 models in this phone. And 64 megapixel camera with dual SIM card, and you can also put the memory card also. With this, you have one cover free, only the silicone cover you have it, and other things is with the one cable and one charger, the heavy charger, heavy duty charger. This comes with the global variant. With the Chinese variant and the Indian variant, this one is different. Some come with the flat. It doesn't come like this. This is the identification for the global variant. So if anyone is thinking about to buy this phone is very good in the small budget. So you can have it. This cable. Okay. See you next time.